Hey guys, welcome back to Fixer Upper. Today we're doing a van. My name is Chip Gaines. Hey guys, my name is Cameron. You're watching Nomadic Nautilus, and today I'm doing some demo. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to be doing is pulling these seats out. As you can probably see, these seats have these little tabs. Ooh, hello. As you can see, these seats have these little tabs. When you pull these up, it releases the mechanism that pulls them in, and then you're just going to pull them backwards and they come straight out. I'm here at the local automotive, and these seats have little star bits that hold them in. And I don't have that size bit, so they're gonna try to help me out. I'm just gonna borrow the bits, and then I'll do a little loosening up here, and then I'll go back home and take the rest of the seats out. Sometimes when you're doing things like this, you really just got to try and use your head. There we go. Next step is going to be taking off guys, it's getting real late in the day. There's only one thing left to do before I call it quits. Alright guys, the sun has officially set on the end of day 1, and I think I got a lot done. It's obviously going to get a lot worse before it gets better. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you later. What are you doing? Can I help you?